Hi everyone, welcome back to the cleaning channel where I do my best to try and clean and motivate you to clean and declutter your houses as well. Today is a special day. It's my daughter's birthday, and it is also just a day where the house needs to be picked up and tidied before I have company come over this evening. So we have a lot to get done. I'm going to be talking about one of my new favorite collagen brands, the Collagen Co., that actually was kind enough last month to send me a trial of their collagen, and I fell in love with it since I have ordered and purchased my own product from them, and I have a discount code for you guys, so I'm going to link that in the description. And then also Bob and Brad brand decided to send me so kindly a back massager. It's more of like a vibration, but I will talk to you guys about that later on in this video. I want to know how everybody's cleaning mission is going. Are you getting everything out of your house? Are you decluttering or are you cleaning today? Let me know in the comments. Something pretty crazy about my story of growing up is I played varsity soccer in high school, and I actually ended up fracturing my back. I believe God healed me because I no longer have back pain, and I only had to wear a brace for a couple of months, but it just was so painful at the time, and now I don't hardly ever get any pains in my back, which is just such a blessing. But when a company reaches out and says that they want to send me some sort of back massager, I am always up for that because my muscles get super tight. So I was super thrilled to try out this Bob and Brad brand of this massager that you can find on Amazon. I think it just really breaks up like that muscle with a vibration. I don't know the science to it. I was actually going to sit down and kind of look it up because I'm kind of a nerd when it comes to that. So with the collagen I've been taking, I've been using water or milk to blend with it. It blends so good. And I added a banana to this one, which you will see didn't get blended all the way. But so good.
Cheers.
I think if you're a multitasker like I am, I think anyone could benefit from finding some kind of smoothie that has a lot of multivitamins in it and just stuff that'll boost your moods and just help you stay stable all around. And then to have a back massager on while I'm doing all the things like eating my meal replacement, which is this collagen, and it's just so cool. So thank you again. Shout out to both the Collagen Co. and Bob and Brad for giving me these products and helping me truly fall in love with these shakes. So go check out their website if you are interested. I don't want to recommend anything because I'm not sure the effectiveness of any one of these products. I just know for me, I really enjoy these shakes, and this back massager is just a plus as I get my tasks done for the day. Stay so motivated. We'll see you in our next one. Bye for now.